Jabber app problems after an update are usually fixed by checking the app version, restarting the app, and confirming that your account is loading correctly. By the end, you'll know the steps to troubleshoot the Jabber app when it stops working after an update, and what to do if the problem continues. Start by completely closing the Jabber app and opening it again. A fresh restart can clear temporary problems that happen after an update. If the app still does not work, check whether you are using the latest version available from your device's app store. An incomplete update can prevent the app from working normally. Open your app store and look for any available Jabber update. If an update appears, install it, and try opening the app again. Next, check your internet connection. The Jabber app needs a stable connection to load account information and sync properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem changes. If the app works on one connection but not the other, the issue may be related to your network. If the app opens but certain information is missing or not loading, sign out of your account and sign back in. This can refresh the connection between the app and your account. You can also restart your phone or tablet before trying again. Device restarts can fix temporary issues that affect app performance. If the problem started immediately after updating Jabber, check whether other apps on your device are working normally. This helps determine whether the issue is with Jabber or your device. If the app continues crashing, freezing, or refusing to load, contact Jabber support through the official support options. Explain what happens when the issue started and what steps you already tried. Include details like your device type, operating system version, and the exact screen where the problem happens. This gives support the information needed to investigate the issue. Avoid deleting the app immediately, unless you have confirmed your account information is available, and you know how to sign back in. Removing the app can create extra steps if you do not have your login details ready. The main fixes are restarting the app, checking for updates, testing your connection, signing back in, and contacting Jabber support if the problem remains. To recap, a Jabber app update issue is usually solved by refreshing the app, checking your device setup, and confirming your account connection. Your next step is to restart the app and check for another update before contacting support. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other app troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.